Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this guide, I'll show you steps on how to easily clear the cache memory of the TikTok application on your Android phone. TikTok has become a favorite platform for sharing short videos worldwide, but like any other app, data accumulation can occur, taking up space on your device. Clearing the cache memory can improve the performance of the application and free up space on your device. Without further ado, let's get started with the cleaning. The first step is to go to Settings. Now, scroll down and select the Apps option. After that, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the search to immediately find the TikTok app. In the search bar, type TikTok, then touch the application. Now, scroll down and select the Storage option. Once you've done that, now at the bottom of the screen on the right side, tap on Clear Cache. Great, you have successfully cleared the cache memory of the TikTok application. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like and of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay well and see you in the next video.